Let's take a moment and see what it takes to convert a list into a table. I have a list here that I've used tabs to separate and align, and it's just not looking the way I'd like it to. So I'm going to really spruce it up by turning it into a table. Well, the first step, of course, is that I have to highlight or select the text I want to change. So I've selected all this text, and I want to go up here to the Insert menu, and I'm going to click the drop-down list under the Table button, and I'm going to choose Convert Text to Table. So when I select that, it pops up the Convert Text to Table dialog. Now remember, I told you I used tabs to create this list, and I had to use some extra tabs here and there, so it's going to be creating 3 columns instead of the 2 I use. But we're going to just accept the defaults and fix it after the fact. So let's go ahead and click OK. Now notice that it has 3 columns. Now that's okay, because I'm going to go ahead and just simply highlight this column using that downward pointing arrow. I click once, and then I can right-click on the selected column and choose Delete Columns. Well, that was easy enough. So now we can go ahead and finish formatting our table. Right now, as you can see here in the table styles, we've got a pretty standard format. And we could choose one of these others if we wanted to. Notice that I can just roll my cursor over the top of them. But I've got one in mind. So we're going to go ahead and go in and make sure that we've clicked in our table. We're going to click in the drop-down list and choose this one here, which is actually referred to as Light Table Accent 2. Now it kind of throws my table out of whack, but that's okay, because I can move it back within the margins very easily by clicking and holding and dragging with the table handle straight into my margins and dropping it off where I want to. So that was straightforward, simple, and we got a really good looking table out of it. This is how you convert a list into a table.